Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder, 200 amp 6-in-1 gas MIG. Powerful 6-iron, 1 MIG welder, the multi-process welding machine that included gassed solid wire MIG, or GMAW, gasless flux core MIG, or FCAW, stick MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, spool gun connector optional, or TIG gun and spool gun not included. Suitable for all kinds of welding requirements. 0.023/030/035 solid wire, 0.023/030/035 flux core wire, 0.035/045 aluminum wire. Synergic MIG, digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selecting the diameter of welding wire and gas material. Also you can adjust the welding current according to your welding habit. Number 2. Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder and Gun. Weld anywhere, plug in the Century FC90 Flux Cord Wire Feed Welder anywhere. 120V input power is available. Lightweight and portable, ideal for maintenance and mobile welders, thanks to its small and lightweight inverter design and shoulder strap for portability. FC90 welder features: automatic thermal protector shuts off output until machine cools to a normal operating temperature. Easy to turn control knobs allow you to fine-tune welding parameters. Conveniently load your spool of wire on top of machine. Number 3. S7 200 amp MIG Welder, 4-in-1 multi-process welding machine for gas and gasless welding, lift TIG. This multi-process welding machine is perfect for MMA, lift TIG, flux MIG, and gas MIG welding. Choose from 4 welding modes to suit your needs. Adjust the amperage or wire thickness and the voltage and wire feeding speed will automatically change. Even beginners can use it with ease. Choose between flux core wire, or gasless, or solid wire, or gas, welding. This welder can handle 2 pounds and 5 pounds rolls of wire 0.8 mm to 1.0 mm flux core wire solid wire, with a maximum welding thickness of 4.5 mm. Number 4. MIG 155 GSV 155 AMP Inverter MIG Stick ARC Welder with dual voltage 220V 110V welding machine 3-year warranty. Compact, portable, very capable quality welder that can run on either 110 or 115 or 220-230 volts, which makes this a true workhorse with a completely portable footprint. Comes complete as pictured, ready for you to start welding. And 3-year warranty. Working voltage: 115V 230 plus or minus 15%, 30 to 155 amp welding range. In MMA mode, this welder can be used as a very nice scratch arc TIG welder with optional accessories. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN 130A MIG Welder, 110V Flux Core MIG Welder or Lift TIG Stick 3-in-1 welding machine with synergy. The recommend current and wire feeding speed will be automatically matched after selected diameter of the welding wire. You can choose 0.030/035/040 flux core wire. The MIG welder is easier for beginners or those that are learning to weld and want to make small repairs around the house. 1 free flux core wire. 0.030. 3 welding modes: flux core, gasless MIG, lift TIG. MMA meet your different requirements, or need to buy extra lift TIG torch. Adjust the current and 10-speed variable feed controls for perfectly managed flux cord welding of carbon steel, stainless or even thicker steel, ideal for home DIY, outdoor repairs, rusty metal, farm and road equipment, and maintenance and repairs.